Hi there, I'm Clint Burgess with Watchfire here at InfoComm 2026, Las Vegas, Nevada. We're really excited about this product as well, our new 4mm outdoor, which brings a whole new light for fine pitch. I say fine pitch, but a little bit tighter pitch than what we normally see. This has really good applications in the wayfinding, transportation, outdoor district, venue kind of district kind of look. These right now, fresh off the street, but what we're really liking about this product as well is a high refresh rate. Also has the ability to be LTE wireless data plan tied to it, and or fiber as well, which gives you the ability to hardline that in or just use cloud-based data. This product also really opens the door in a lot of different capacities outside the venue, inside the venue, airports, ride share, totally different application status than probably normal on-premise. So it gives us a unique look and gives us a new opportunity to expand some doors within the market that allows us to provide the end user with some really cool and eclectic product lines that allows the end user experience collectively around the market space and venues and different places. So we're really excited about the 4mm. This has been a really big hit so far. Uses our OPX technology. We can also tie in with other CMSs as well, but we're really excited because this is a unique opportunity to kind of put something on the street with that classic Watchfire ability to manufacture and R&D there in Illinois. So we're really excited about that. More information, you can find more on our website at watchfire.com, and feel free to shoot us a note. We'll be happy to help you out.